Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to answer the questions. What is backpacking? What is a backpacker, and which destinations are popular among backpackers? But first, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment where you want to backpack. Check out our links for fun attractions and travel must-haves, for example a cashback app where you can get cashback on flights and hotels, as well as so much more. But now, let's get into the video. What is backpacking? Backpacking is a form of low-cost, independent travel where individuals journey for an extended period, often internationally, with only a backpack as their luggage. Backpackers typically prioritize experiences over luxury, opting for budget accommodations like hostels or camping, and often engage in activities such as hiking, sightseeing, and learning about different cultures. What is a backpacker? A backpacker is someone who engages in this style of travel, valuing adventure, exploration, and cultural exchange. Here are a few popular backpacking destinations. 1. Southeast Asia, with popular destinations like Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos. 2. Europe, with popular destinations like Spain, Italy, Greece, and Croatia. 3. South America, with popular destinations like Peru, Bolivia, Colombia, and Argentina. 4. Australia, with popular destinations like East Coast, Outback, and the Great Barrier Reef. 5. Central America, with popular destinations like Costa Rica, Guatemala, and Nicaragua. Where do you want to backpack? Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, safe travels. Bye.